Do you know you can start making money online just by translating video? Yes, you heard me right. This is a payout from the platform. What I'm about to show you is going to give you videos, and your own is just to translate it and make money. So guys, let's dive into the practical aspect really quick. We are now in the practical aspect of this video. So I'm going to be dropping a link inside my Telegram group, so make sure to join below this video. Let's get the name of the site. So after you've opened up the site, firstly you have to click on that link and it's going to bring it to your browser directly. So when it has brought you to your browser, you'll be clicking on this corner. Let me highlight it so that you will see this. So when you click on it, you are going to be changing the language here to English in order to sign up. Okay, I'm going to click on it now. I will click on it now. Then I'm going to change it to English. Very easy. So you come here, you enter your email. When you put in your Gmail, make sure you click on this thing in front of please enter verify code. So they've sent me a code right now. Now inputting the code under where to please verify code, I'm going to input my password. Then I'm going to click here. Okay, it's telling me to click on agreement before I continue. So it has registered me successfully. There's another second link in that Telegram group where you'll be able to download the app, because if you should go and look for it on Play Store, you might not see it. So I already downloaded the app and it's on my phone. So this is it, Panda Skit. Then I'm going to log in. And I've already registered on the website, so I'm going to log in now. Then I'm going to click here on the language again and change to English. I already changed it to English, and you see that everything changed to English. If you have already downloaded the app, this is how it is going to look like after changing it from the language you met it in to English. So I already explained that one. Then if you look below this app, you will see home, for you, my list, and profile. So you click on profile. After clicking on profile, you are going to sign in. If you are using iPhone, just stay on the browser. There's no need for you to download the app because you may have issue downloading it. So here I'm going to click on sign in. Then I'm going to input my email, then enter my password. After signing in, this is how my profile is going to look like. Can you see that I'm having $0.00? For this update, we'll be needing CapCut to translate our video. I have already done a video on how to translate on CapCut, and I will be putting the link below this video in order for you to go and watch it. So this platform is where we are going to be downloading the video, and we'll be taking the video to CapCut in order to translate it from their language to English, and you are going to get paid for it. I'll be showing you the process of how to get the video, how to turn your point to money. So that's basically what this practical aspect is for. As you can see on this profile, you will see that there is open distributor, subtitle translator, novel reading, my team, secret exchange, group chat. So what we'll be focusing on in this video is subtitle translator. You can also make money by reading novel, but we are focusing only on subtitle translator. Then I'm going to click on it right now. I'm going to go through the recruitment info in order to apply to become a translator. So I'm going to click on activate right now and activate. That's it. So after I went back to the profile, I'm not supposed to leave that place, but I am going to click back on subtitle translator. So after clicking on it, it brought me to this place. So these are the movies we are going to be translating. Can you see? And they are going to get paid. Okay, let me tell you something. These videos that is having news, let me highlight it so that you understand, because it's not everybody that will tell you about this. This thing that is popping on this video it's telling you that it is a new video. So if you work on it, you are going to make money ASAP. Can you see? New. So that's the kind of videos you look out for, because those kind of videos are the one that is going to make you money on time. I'm not saying that others are not going to make you money, but those one are what people are watching. Make sure that the video you want to work on is up to 80 episodes, and the number of the episode is on the title. Make sure to check what this one is having. This one is having 65, 75, 100, 95. This one is having 90. So let's click on this one. Let me show you. Let me highlight the one I'm clicking on so that you will see. Okay, I'm clicking on this. So let's work on that. So I've already shown you the video I want to click on. Then you come to this side. This thing that looks like X that is just rolling. I'm going to click on it in order to claim the video I want. Then I'm going to click on English. I'll click on confirm claim. So already confirm claim. Okay, let's look for another one. You can also click on another video which may be any number of episodes and claim it. The platform seems to pay more for videos with more episodes compared to less episodes. The reason why I suggested that you work on more episodes of video is that if you are getting paid, it will be easier for you to make money instead of making $20. Let's say you work for 30 episodes and each episode costs $1. That means you will be getting paid $30. This one is just like a translation, and it's very easy to do. You just download the video, go to your CapCut and translate from their language to English, and you upload back, then you make money. That's it. For another video to claim, I think I will be claiming a video that doesn't really have that new odds. You understand? So I'll click on this in order to claim. Click on English, then confirm claim. So operation completed. If you look below, you see movie list to translate revenue ranking list. So I'll click on to translate. So the two videos I claimed, they are here already. This is it. If you come to translate, you will see something like this. The two videos I already claimed is already here. I think you can't claim more than 2 videos except you are done. So if you are done with the 2 videos, you cannot claim another one. For us to proceed, I'm going to click on this download source. This in order to download and translate. After clicking on that download icon, it brought me here. I think these are the episode. So let me scroll down back. Wow, I think somebody's already working on this, but that doesn't stop us. So I'm going to download the video. I'm in my CapCut right now, and I'm going to be clicking on new project. So for this to make sense, okay, this is my downloaded video. I'm going to click on add. So for this to make sense, you will be needing a CapCut Pro. Video on my YouTube on how to get CapCut Pro for free. So make sure to watch it. I'll be dropping the link below this video also. This is the video I downloaded. Can you see that the video is in Chinese language? So I'll go here. I'll go back to the front. Like, the video is now. It's long. Is it long? It's not that long. Is it up to 1 minute? Okay, 2 minutes. Now I'll click on caption. As you can see below this, there's edit, audio, text, overlay, effects, captions, aspect ratio, filter, adjust. So I'll click on caption. Then I'll click on this. Let me go back. These bilingual captions. So I'll click on English. Then drop it down back. Okay, and click on generate. I don't know why the caption is showing twice, so I'm going to drag it down here. So I just downloaded this CapCut yesterday. If you are going to translate here, you are going to translate everything. I'm just using this as an example. I'm going to split it here and delete. Let's just see this only thing and wait. So this is the only thing I need in the video. So this ending, I'm going to click on it and delete. If you should add a new project in CapCut, make sure you translate all the video. So I'm going to click on this because it is showing two captions. I'm going to click here, the down one, and delete this translated video. The next thing for you to do is to export it. So for you to export it, click on this to work on the video size and quality. So let me cancel these highlights. Okay, I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to reduce it to the resolution to 480p. I'm going to increase the frame rate to 30. Then the code rate, I'm going to reduce it to low. Can you see, like, so after that I'm going to click on export and export the video. This CapCut is telling me now that I'm using the following premium feature. You know, this CapCut, I just downloaded it yesterday and I've not logged in at all. After you are done with the video, just come to this upload icon. Let me highlight it so that you will see it. That one. So you click on it. So it is going to tell you to select file. Okay, allow. Then go to your media or maybe your gallery or your file, anywhere where you're going to be able to select what you've downloaded. Okay, let's assume this is what I've downloaded. I'm going to click on this, then confirm upload. Okay, let me cancel it. If you've uploaded the video you translated, it's going to bring out something like this. Yes, something like this, showing that you submitted for publication. So after that, it's going to bring a contract for you to read and submit. You are going to go through the contract, then it's going to bring a button below it showing contract read. Let me try and upload that video. After going through the contract read, when it is 5:02 p.m, make sure you click on your profile, click on subtitle translator, click revenue, then click point exchange to exchange your points to dollar. It is very important to exchange your point to dollar. For the first month you'll be getting paid, and it's because they give you a free month, like they give a new user a month copyright. So for the second month, if you do 30 episodes on a video and one episode costs $1, it means $1.30 please, and you can earn daily for 5 years according to the platform policy. So you'll be paying for a permanent copyright as from the next month. Let me add this also before I forget. So after signing up, come to this your user ID, click on it, then you're going to put in your nickname, your real name, your email, your mobile, and okay, this one is already having a referral code. At this stage, they will tell you to verify your account by asking for you to input your name, to upload your NIN number, and selfie. In 30 minutes you'll be verified. For this platform, after 1 month, because I already said the second month you start paying, and if you start paying, I think you'll be paying something like $11 or so, and you'll be earning money from it for 5 years. That's the platform policy. So after 1 month of free earnings, you can decide to withdraw money, or you can decide to continue, anyone that suits you. Then the minimum withdrawal for this platform is $20. So make sure you do more than $20 in a month, maybe like $22, because if you want to withdraw, as you can see here, if you want to withdraw, you must have like $22 because they remove service charge of 1,800 naira. Yeah, that's the 5%, as you can see. So this platform pays, they really pays. It's very legit. You just have to do the work. If you claim any video, make sure you translate all the episodes before you submit for publication. After translating your video in CapCut and some part of the video are not showing English, maybe they are still showing the Chinese version, and if you are very sure it's not a network issue, you can upload that way. It will be accepted. If you're having a problem, you can message me on Telegram. If you've really gotten value so far from this video, don't forget to like, share and comment.